Backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up. Ayy, backing it up. Throw that shit over here, girl, that's what it's for. What you say? You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a bitch mad, don't you? Make your ex wanna get it back, that's a fact. Say a lot of for the bitches in the back, ayy.
I know how to go and get a bag, Donna. I know how to get a bitch mad, Donna. Finish my look, a high ponytail. Let me finish blending my shadows. Okay. So my high ponytail is gonna go like this. I'm gonna do something natural. Oh, I'm gonna blend that in. Let me let that sit a little bit. Needing lashes. Let me get the lashes. So I'm back. Usually put them on my hand. I don't know, you may see a little residue of makeup. Give me a second. Okay, there are two ways I put on lashes. You can put them on the top or on the bottom. I believe I did a tutorial with them on the top before. I am going to do them on the bottom. They're simple. You lay your lashes like you lay a track. Those from left to right. Underneath the bottom. I will get this out of the way in a little bit, just letting it set, let me bake. All right, so maybe a little graphic. My shadows are here, so I'm just gonna use my nail and lift my eye a little bit, and I put it underneath the bottom. Because I need to be very close, I'm gonna need to do it in my mirror. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see me, but just wait. Okay, I did it. Okay, so I put it on there, tweezers. But I just did it with my hands because I don't know what my tweezers are. These my eyes real quick. Gotta bring it out in the middle of those. I'm gonna put setting powder on again, and I'm gonna redo my blush. Okay, I didn't show you this. It was done off camera. I just this first, and so then I'm gonna put. Are you ready? It's simple, but let me go ahead and. So I lift the eyelid and then I place it. Was laid the track from left to the right. Okay, so I'm done with Got To Be. Now I'm finished my makeup look. Now I'm gonna do Got To Be right now. I can use gel, but I don't feel like waiting for it to dry. So anybody who don't know what it's a holding spray. A lot of times when I do my updos, instead of using Pump It Up Spritz, I use this. Got To Be. It might be backwards, but that's what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush. I think I'm gonna leave my edges out. I'll deal with them later. I can do two things.
I'm gonna put this in two because it's definitely too big. This is a quick hairstyle you can do at home. Hot ponytail. Jay, wait. Okay. Okay. So, okay, if you guys don't know what I just did, I just wrapped my hair around and then wrapped the ends back around in the bun. Is it straight, y'all? Tell me if my ponytail straight. I don't know. It don't matter. Yes, it does. Just bear with me. I'm gonna have my assistant. I wish I had. All right. Oh, thank you, Ashley. Thank you for your help, child. Cause this one over here. This one over here? All right. Okay, come. Let me do my assistant right. All right. Can I have a scalpel? I'm just playing. The scissors. The scissors. Right there, baby. Just cut this for me. You know I don't know how to cut. Oh, Father. Okay. All right. So this last part here, I'm gonna take it and pin it.
Right. So it came loose. So that's why I'm gonna pin it. Now I don't like my bun all high and mess. So I'm gonna put a pin right there to not give me no bumblebee hive, beehive. So I'm going to finish wrapping it around. And then I'm gonna take my last pin and I am going to pin it. Okay. I'm going to use Got To Be gel for my sideburns and things like that. So that's the high messy bun. This is what I got right here. The extra large. Because I love it. So a toothbrush is what I would use for my sideburns. This is the stuff I use. And I'm disappear, y'all. Only because I do it partly with the brush and partly with. Yeah. Oh, I'm almost done, y'all. It's not intended to be a neat ponytail. It is a messy, high ponytail. And so. So this is the finished look. Those who know me know I don't really wear high ponytails. But I just, like, I want to do it. So see y'all later. Follow me. Cierra Giftedhands. And then the salon, CC's Beauty Bar. On Instagram, on Facebook. What else we have? Yeah, Pinterest. We're on Pinterest. And yeah, Cierra Giftedhands. See you guys later.